Have you ever wondered what it's like to have a snack in the back rooms?
Today we're making okroshka, cold Russian soup, and we're making it to go. I will show you how I can take this portal and end up on a Russian train. And screw it, I'll even teach you a little dance.
If you don't know what the back rooms is, you should Google it right now.
You'll need 1 potato. I like to use Yukon Gold because it's just absolutely creamy.
You're gonna need 3 small radish. You're gonna need 1 egg, 1 small cucumber, some green onion, some smetana, salt, some pepper, and you're gonna need your favorite kvass. You're gonna start by boiling your egg and your potato. You can do it in the same pot. They're just gonna be very different times. The potato is gonna be about 10 to 15 minutes, and the egg is gonna be about 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna get that onto the stove. We're gonna put that on high. And while your potato and your egg are cooking, we can prep the rest of the ingredients. Make sure to clean your radish. They grew in the ground, so they're a little dirty. We're gonna do them real small dice, even size, real tiny, real elegant. And a good way to cut them is to slit them almost to the end, about 1 centimeter in between layers. And then you can cut from the top, and then you get perfect little squares. Now that your water's starting to boil, we're gonna set a timer, 10 minutes. Little cucumber, same thing, same size, same everything. You basically want an even amount of everything. Even amount of potato, radish, straight into your mixing bowl. Next important ingredient, kolbasa doktorskaya, doctor's sausage. It's like a bologna. I'm gonna do 124 grams. Same size, small dice. Straight into your mixture. Oh, that's good. That's so good. All right. Take a green onion. For this amount, we'll take 2. We're gonna use the white part and the green part. Right there. I'm gonna take out that egg into an ice bath. I just poked the potato with a fork. It needs about 3 more minutes. Okay, your potato is ready to go. It's soft enough to pierce with a fork, but not so soft that it's gonna fall apart. I'm gonna put that into the same ice bath. And we're gonna let that rest in there for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna peel it. It's just soft enough that skin will just come right off. Just like that. So we're gonna chop that up, same exact size. Right into the mix. My portal is located at an abandoned mall, but you'll see. And you all think I'm joking, but you're in for quite a surprise. For this, peel that shell. It's actually a lot easier if you do it in the water. Let's go ahead and add that egg. Go ahead and toss that. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt, about a good pinch. You really wanna salt it proper because that doctor's sausage is not very salty, and of course potatoes need a lot of salt. Crack black pepper. For now, we're gonna add a little bit of smetana. And I'm bringing 2 because you never know who you'll run into in the back rooms. And of course, most levels in the back rooms don't actually have a good source of food unless you end up in level, I think it's level 63. Don't call me on this. Obviously, fresh dill. And of course, make sure you bring protection because the backrooms is a very dangerous place. All right, we made it. This is my absolute favorite place to visit. That right there, that's the portal. And we never know where that goes. It's always different every time. But every time I come back through the portal on the other side, I always end up here. So I'm gonna leave my bike, I'm gonna leave my phone so I can film, but I'm gonna take my camera, and when I get to the other side, I will show you where we end up, and when I come back, I will upload it all. I got my kvass, I got my okroshka. Let's get in there. Actually, first, we need a little dance party. We're gonna have one last smoke before we go, because you never know. It's just good to try to enjoy your life, because you never know when you're gonna die. And yeah, this could be one of those places. Most of the time, it's not dangerous, but sometimes it is.
No sound, yes love, just Heil, Igbo. No sound, yes love, just Heil, Igbo.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, so I always end up on this train. We go this way. Yep, this door. Okay. I know it's around here somewhere. Okay, that looks familiar. If I keep going this way, I think I'll end up right back.
This area is under video surveillance and you are being recorded. Please leave the area. Please leave the area. Please leave the area. Please leave the area.
Oh, we ended up here.
Please leave the area.
And now, we're here. Kind of a perfect setting for this. All right, we're gonna give this a try. So what you wanna do, you got smetana in there, everything's mixed up. Now you're gonna add your kvass. And that, my friend, is how to make okroshka. Let's try this. That's so good. Fortunately, I know where this is. This location is actually right down the street from the portal, and there's no exit here. It's exit only. So I'm gonna have to walk my ass back. But thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you guys soon.
Я двигаюсь, он едет, нет пицца, но свобода.